Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to delete liked videos on YouTube in 2025. You might want to remove liked videos to clear your playlist, reduce clutter, or simply because your taste has changed. Let's navigate to your YouTube profile settings by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. Now select your channel, and you will find the liked videos playlist listed there. To unlike individual videos, simply click on the thumbs up icon again. For bulk removal, go to your liked videos playlist, select the videos, and click the unlike option. You can also delete liked videos using the YouTube mobile app. Just tap the liked videos playlist and unlike them directly. Once you've unliked your videos, check again to see your updated playlist. It's that easy. To manage your liked videos in the future, regularly review your playlist and unlike videos that no longer resonate with you. To recap, we've covered how to easily delete liked videos in a few simple steps. Thanks for watching.